Hi there, let's talk about 5 unique birds you probably never knew existed. 5. Shoebill. This large bird is a very rare African species. It gets its name from its huge shoe-shaped bill, which is also one of the largest in the world. The bill is 10.5 inches long and is used for catching and tearing up fish. Its eyes are also quite remarkable, being almost entirely white, with only a small black center. Despite their size, these birds can fly, although they prefer to hang out around water and are often seen wading in shallow water while looking for food. They have been known to live up to 50 years in the wild. Their nests are built high up in trees and are composed of sticks and vines. Female shoebills lay one white egg every 2 or 3 years, and both parents take turns sitting on the egg until it hatches. The chick will stay in the nest for about 9 months before it is ready to fly. These birds are endangered due to habitat loss and hunting. For HOATZIN, this bird has many unique characteristics, including its unusual appearance, behavior, and diet. One of the most striking features of the HOATZIN is its neck, which can grow up to 4 feet long. This allows the bird to reach far into water or high up into trees to grab food. Another interesting feature is its feathered feet, which are covered in long, thin feathers that act like paddles. These help the bird to steer itself through the water while it's looking for food. The HOATZIN is one of the few birds that can digest cellulose, thanks to a special digestive system that contains bacteria which break down cellulose. This allows the bird to eat leaves, buds, and other plant material that most birds cannot digest. This is also one of the few birds whose chicks are not fed by their parents, but instead must fend for themselves from the time they hatch. The HOATZIN is found in the tropical forests of South America and is active during the day. It typically eats alone, but will sometimes join other birds in feeding flocks. The bird is known for its loud, harsh cry, which can be heard echoing through the forest. 3. California condor. The California condor is a large bird with a wingspan of up to 10 feet, making it one of the largest flying birds in North America. It is also one of the heaviest flying birds in the world, with males weighing up to 23 pounds. The bird's head and neck are bare, with the exception of a small tuft of feathers on the crown of its head. Its beak is strong and hooked, and its eyes are dark brown. The California condor is a scavenger, feeding primarily on the carcasses of dead animals. It uses its keen sense of smell to locate food sources and its strong beak and claws to tear apart carcasses. The bird is found in the western United States and is active during the day. It typically soars high above the ground, using thermals to stay aloft for long periods of time. The California condor was once thought to be extinct, but was rediscovered in the early 1980s. Today, the bird is still endangered, but conservation efforts have helped to increase its population. 2. Blue-throated macaw. This beautiful bird is native to the island of Espanola and is named for the brilliant blue feathers on its throat. The rest of its body is predominantly green, with some red and yellow accents on its wings and tail. The bird is also known for its intelligence and playfulness. In the wild, these macaws live in groups of up to 15 birds and are social creatures who spend a lot of time communicating with each other. They use a variety of calls to communicate, including screams, whistles, and clicks. Blue-throated macaws have also been known to develop affection towards their caretakers and can be trained to talk. In the wild, these macaws primarily eat fruit, but they will also consume other items such as nuts, seeds, and flowers. They use their strong beaks to crack open hard shells and extract the tasty morsels inside. Blue-throated macaws are currently listed as near threatened by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. This is due to the destruction of their rainforest habitat, as well as the illegal pet trade. 1. KAKAPO. This flightless parrot is found only in New Zealand and is one of the rarest birds in the world. There are only an estimated 150 individuals left in the wild. The kakapo is a large bird, typically weighing between 9 and 10 pounds. Its plumage is a mixture of green, brown, and gray feathers. The bird has a stout beak and strong legs and feet, which it uses to hop around on the ground. The kakapo is nocturnal and has excellent senses of hearing and smell. It is also known for its slow metabolism, which allows it to go for long periods of time without food. In the wild, the kakapo feeds on the fruits and seeds of various native plants. It also occasionally consumes insects and other invertebrates. The bird is known for its bizarre mating display, which involves a lot of vocalizations, posturing, and even dancing. The kakapo is a very long-lived species, with some individuals reaching 90 years old or more. This is another reason why there aren't more of them today. It takes about 5 years for females to reach sexual maturity, and they only produce 1 egg every 2 to 3 years. Because of its large size, the kakapo is vulnerable to predation by dogs, cats, and rats. Habitat destruction caused by human activity has also contributed to its rarity. The kakapo is currently listed as critically endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. Thanks for watching. Which of these birds was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And remember to subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time.